So in this video, we're going to go over the process for an overnight scrub. This process needs to be finished before the hotel's end of day, usually around 2 a.m. There's a few different steps to it. We've got a key check, then you'll need to check the out and returning report. You'll need to resolve hot cars. You'll need to send the overnight payment, and you'll need to confirm with the front desk that the charges were posted correctly. So first things first, the key check. This process should be done throughout the day just to ensure that the information in Flash Valet is up to date. It's also recommended that you finish a key audit at the start and end of every shift just to make sure that accountability for the keys during shift changes is maintained. So to perform a key check, first we're going to go to the Issued tab, and then we're going to filter it using the funnel up here to show overnight tickets only. Then we'll sort them by ticket number using this button here. And then you're just going to check the keys in your key box and make sure that each one of them has a ticket in Flash Valet and vice versa. This list should match the keys in your key box. If you find that there's a key missing, determine if it's one that just didn't get pulled in the software. If the vehicle is in the garage, then you will need to locate that key. If you find that there's a key that's missing from Flash Valet, it's in the board but not in the app, just go ahead and issue that ticket. So next thing we'll need to do is check the out and returning report. You can view this report by going to Control, Out and Returning. So this shows overnight tickets that are marked as returning, but they haven't come back yet, which means that the tickets are not on the Issued tab because we don't have them here, but we're still going to charge them for overnight parking tonight. You'll use the in-house list from the hotel and make sure that all the vehicles on this report are still checked into the hotel. If you find a ticket on this report, but they've already checked out, somebody marked it as returning when they should have marked it as checked out, use this little blue I button here, and then mark the ticket as checked out, and that'll clear it from the list. So once this list is cleared, we need to resolve hot cars. You'll view that report by going to Control, Hot Cars. You'll use the in-house list to put room numbers in so that the charges for these tickets can be posted. If you have any discrepancies, just bring them up with the front desk night audit team. So once you've got hot cars resolved, you'll need to send the overnight payment report and record overnight payments. You'll just go to Control, Overnight Payments, and then this blue envelope up here, you'll just tap that and it'll send the overnight vehicles report to the front desk. So that emails the front desk. They're going to use that report to post the charges into their PMS. This is not an automatic process. It must be done every night. Once the front desk posts the charges, you're going to need to confirm that the charges were posted line by line. So you go to Control, Overnight Payments. So for each ticket, confirm that the charges were posted, and then just tap Pay, and that changes them to green. Go through line by line and mark every one that was paid as paid. And then if you have any overnight tickets that are not paid once you get through the list, they're still black, bring them up with the front desk night audit team. You can also mark all as paid by tapping Pay All up here at the top. If you ever have a hot car checking out, it wasn't able to post payments for that hot car the whole time it was here, you'll pull the car as normal. It asks you, would you like to process payment for this hot car? So you would hit yes, and then skip since we still don't know the room number. And then you can select the number of nights to charge. And then you have the option to process payment through cash credit card. That would be taking payment from the guest. Or you can select front desk and settle it up with the hotel.